How to see your friends you unfollowed on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do that. So let's just jump right in. First thing you do is open up your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, you can head over to the profile icon at the top right. Once you land on the menu page, tap on your profile banner to enter your profile. Once you are inside your profile, you scroll down a bit until you find your friends. Now tap on See All Friends, and you should be able to see a list of your friends. So if you want to know your following or the friends you're following, tap on the following option, and then after you've done that, head back over to friends. So I'm following this person. Let me just quickly unfollow them, like so. I'm gonna go ahead and unfollow this person. Go to friends. And as you can see, I have unfollowed them. Now to see the friends that you have unfollowed, you can go back, go to friends, and then tap on manage. Here you'll find an option called friends you unfollowed, and you'll be able to see different options and a list of the friends that you have unfollowed. You can select multiple of them, and then if you want, you can directly unfriend them. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.